Today, we're going to learn numbers from 31 to 40. Are you ready? Let's start counting. This is 31. Can you say it with me? 31. Thirty-one. 31. Look, it's 32. Say it out loud. 32. Thirty-two. 32. Here comes 33. Let's say it together. 33. Thirty-three. 33. Wow, it's 34. Can you repeat after me? 34. Thirty-four. 34. Say hello to 35. Say it with me. 35. Thirty-five. 35. This number is 36. Let's say it again. 36. Thirty-six. 36. It's 37. Can you say 37? Thirty-seven. 37. Here is 38. Say it nice and clear. 38. Thirty-eight. 38. Almost there. This is 39. Say it with me. 39. Thirty-nine. 39. Yay! You made it to 40. Let's say it together. 40. Forty. 40. Want to learn more numbers? Visit our channel and don't forget to subscribe.